Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning Standard SYBCom. Subject Advertising. Topic is chapter number 1, Advertising Media. In our last lecture we have learned about radio advertising. Today we will going to learn about television advertising. Now television as a medium of advertising is the most powerful and popular creation, especially in 20th century. In India, TV was first launched in Delhi, that is on 15th of September 1959. Television, TV, we everybody know about it and it's very popular. We see multiple channels, multiple programs in TV, and apart from programs and shows, we see multiple many advertising in television. Now, according to Business Standard dated on 10th of May 2013, there are 1790 TV private satellite television channel broadcast in India. This includes channel from state-owned Doordarshan, News Corporation, Star TV, Sony, Zee, etc., etc., etc. So there are also 190 government channels in India. Now, first TV was appeared in USA, that is in 1949, and in India it was like first commercial was transmitted on 1st of January 76. In India, Doordarshan dominates the television scene despite hundreds of satellite channels. Now, what are the advantages of TV? Very powerful impact. Now, TV is the most powerful and popular medium as it has the ability to combine vision, voice, music, motion, sound and color, and it provides multi sensory experiences, that is sound and music to ears, picture to eye, and lasting impact on human memory. Yeah. Second one, that is low per person cost. Lakhs of people watch the same popular program at the same time. Do you agree with it? Right? For example, if I say Doordarshan National Channel is watched by lakh of people, especially in rural areas. Therefore, per person cost of TV advertising is low as compared to newspapers and magazines. Third one is program support. People tune TV to watch their favorite programs such as serials, news, sports, etc. Ads are part of this package. Everybody knows about it कि ads भी जो होता है वो हर एक चीज का part होता है. Therefore, TV ads are benefited by program support. ठीक है? Point number 4, impact of celebrities. Now everybody are very fascinated by celebrities. It could be film actor, actress, serial actor, actress, or you can say television actor, actress, or you can say sportsmen. These all are celebrities. The use of popular personalities like film stars, sports stars, etc. go a long way in convincing the audience regarding the goodness of product. अगर ये लोग आके अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बोलने लगेंगे तो हम लोग जल्द से वो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बिलीव करने लगेंगे. However, some of the advertising experts claim that the celebrity only attracts attention and most people do not get convinced by celebrity advertising. Yes, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा भी बोलते हैं कि सेलिब्रिटी का एड से आने से भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. बहुत सारे लोग उससे कन्विंस नहीं होते हैं. आई टेल यू इन टुडेज डेट दैट सलमान खान जो आता है वो व्हील्स की एड में आता है, जो व्हील्स व्हाट यू कॉल डिटर्जेंट पाउडर है. डू यू फील कि सलमान खान के घर में वो ही पाउडर यूज होता रहेगा? नहीं. सो मेजोरिटी आर नॉट बिलीविंग, किसी को ये एड जो है वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं भी होती है. सो बट स्टिल पीपल आर सेलिब्रिटी आता है तो वी गेट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स ऑन ऑल द एड्स. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च. TV plays an important role in introducing new product to target audience. The TV ads backed music, motion, voice, vision helps to create a top of awareness on the minds of the audience. The advertiser can highlight the special features of newly introduced products. Yes. Product demonstration. Product demonstration is possible on TV. Creative product demonstration can create a good impact in the mind of target audience depending upon the need of target audience. They may be in, inclined to buy product on account of product demonstration. Now there are two things. There are majority they get attracted, they buy products. Sometimes they don't buy product according to if there is a product demonstration. Now next one, that is geographic coverage. TV is not hampered by the way of demographic and geographic restrictions. TV audience belongs to all age group, income groups, race and religion. Therefore, advertisers can advertise to large number of target audience throughout the country when the ads is run on national channel. Next one, flexibility. Now television permits flexibility to certain extent. Virtually any product message can be adapted to television. Some channels may allow for changes in TV ad depending on the situation, right? Next one, that is repetition. Now TV permits repetition of ads that you must be experienced while watching serials and program shows, reality shows and all. When you see that, you can see the repetition of ads is again and again occurs. The ad on TV can be repeated during the same program and the different programs at the time. The repetition of the ad can create top of mind awareness. Yeah, it gives awareness in your mind. Next one, that is divided attention. Like radio advertising, TV advertising is also permits to listen to ads with divided attention. One need not to sit in front of the TV to view the ads. One may listen to the TV ads while doing some work. Due to the voice and music effects of the TV. एक ही जगह पे बैठ के टीवी देखना ज़रूरी नहीं है, हम लोग काम करते करते भी टीवी देख सकते हैं, तो अटेंशन जो है वो डिवाइड हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज limitation of TV advertising. It is expensive. How? I tell you, TV advertising is costly affair. For example, a 10-second ad at prime time on the Doordarshan National Network costs about rupees 1 lakh for every insertion. Therefore, small firms cannot afford luxury of TV advertising. टीवी पे एडवर्टीजमेंट दिखाना एक्सपेंसिव बन जाता है, तो छोटी छोटी कंपनी जो है वो जस्ट 10 सेकेंड की एड दिखाने के लिए कम से कम 1 लाख के आसपास का खर्चा जाता है, तो छोटी मोटी कंपनी जो है वो एड दिखा नहीं सकती है, तो इट इज माइनस पॉइंट. सेकेंड वन, शॉर्ट लाइफ. लाइक रेडियो, टीवी एड्स सफर फ्रॉम शॉर्ट लाइफ. वंस द एड्स अपीयर 10 to 20 seconds, it is gone forever. However, the limitations of short life can be overcome with the repetition of ads. देखो यहाँ पे शॉर्ट लाइफ तो है, एक एड 10 से 20 सेकेंड की होती है, आके चली जाती है, गई मतलब वो गई, पर उसको हम लोग रिगेन कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसको बार बार दिखा के, तो हमें बार बार रिपीटेशन करना पड़ता है, तो बट दिस इज अ माइनस पॉइंट दैट उसका लाइफ जो है वो शॉर्ट है. नेक्स्ट वन, क्लटर्स. TV advertising suffers from high level of clutters. One often comes across a series of spot ads at time during a popular serial. When you see a serial, can anybody tell me 30 minutes की serial में कम से कम 10 से 12 मिनट की जो है वो एड्स आती है. वो सीरियल सिर्फ 19 मिनट की होती है, अगर किसी ने ऑब्जर्व किया है तो अप्रॉक्सीमेट 19 से 21, तो हार्डली, तो 9 से 10 मिनट हम सिर्फ एड देख रहे हैं. एंड वन एड इज इक्वल टू हार्डली 10 to 20 सेकेंड्स. 20 सेकेंड्स मतलब आप देखोगे कि आपने कितनी सारी एड्स देख ली है, तो सो मेनी क्लटर्स आर देयर. तो आपका जो टीवी देखने का जो प्रोग्राम और सीरियल देखने का जो मोटो है वो पूरा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है, तो समटाइम दिस इज अ माइनस पॉइंट. So large number of ads at a time may even irritate the audience, right? Next one, that is lacks reference value, right? TV advertising does not provide reference value to the audience. If at all, the audience want reference, they have to wait for next repetition of that. लाइक ऑडियंस जो है उसको रेफरेंस के लिए रख नहीं सकती है, अरे मैंने क्या सुना था, अरे यार वो एड क्या थी, यू हैव टू वेट फॉर अनदर टाइम, रिपीटेशन के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा. नॉन सिलेक्टिव मीडियम. Despite the introduction of various latest techniques and specialized TV channels that better target audience, TV remains non-selective. Thus, TV advertising includes a great deal of waste coverage, that is, message directed at an unresponsive and uninterested audience. High production cost. TV advertising involves high production cost as compared to radio and other media. Lot of expenses is incurred in filming and editing the ad. Also, when celebrities are used, this advertiser need to pay a good amount to them also. So there are lots of expense are included, lots of costs are included to make these ads. Unsuitability for certain products. Now, TV advertising is not suitable for certain products, like I can say alcohol, cigarettes products are not allowed to be advertised on TV. However, advertiser of such products resort to surrogate advertising. Competition. TV as a medium faces a lot of competition from the other media, such as print and digital. Over the years, the share of TV advertising in total advertising in India has declined from approximate 40% in 2014 to about 38% in 2018, and likely to further decline due to growing impact of digital advertising. इसके साथ टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग खत्म होता है.